Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Shopify store theme. So let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can actually just head over in here to our online store. Now on this online store, we should be able to see our theme right here. So as you can see, my current theme is done. And in here, I have here my theme library. Now I can actually just head over and click on this add theme right here and click on visit the theme store. Now, when I do this, I can actually see a lot of themes that is actually integrated or supported by the Shopify itself. So in here, for example, I can see this theme of Pride as well as all of these themes that is available right here. So for example, I want to add this theme of Pride for me. I can actually just head over and then try to add this to my theme. You can click on this view all themes right here. And then in here, you can see what the theme will look like. So they have your motion, pace, as well as the symmetry. Just take note that some themes are actually paid while some are free. So click on the theme that you want to add, and then click on this try theme right here. And once you have clicked on your try theme, it will add taste to your online store themes. So this taste is the theme that we have added in earlier. So this will actually enable you to see your online store right here. And as you can see, it is adding pages. And in here, it is actually just still loading. And in here, you can just finish this loading process right here in order to add this as your actual theme. Now, as you can see right here, the taste is still loading, but I have here another theme that I can choose from. So what I can do is I can click on the three dots. And then in here, I can actually see what it looks like by clicking on see view. Now, if I want to publish it, I can click on the publish. So we can also click on publish when it takes right here. So just click on publish right here. And then as you can see, it will replace my current theme, which is done. So click on publish here again, in order to publish this specific date. So as you can see, it will actually change my current theme into this one. And we can now see what it looks like by heading over and clicking on view store right here. So when we view our store, as you can see, our theme has been updated. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.